Meet James, a 68-year-old retiree who discovered the freedom of solo travel through blogs and videos. Studies show 72% of retirees prioritize experiences over possessions. James starts planning his first solo trip to Portugal, inspired by stories of affordable stays, $40 per night Airbnb, and senior-friendly destinations. His wall map highlights low-cost regions like Southeast Asia and Eastern Europe. James learns that 89% of senior travelers rely on apps for trip planning. He compares Hopper for flight deals, saving 25% with flexible dates, Booking.com for senior discounts, and Road Trippers for scenic routes. TripIt becomes his hub, automatically organizing reservations and sending gate change alerts. A pro tip: he sets larger font sizes in accessibility settings. Google Maps' offline feature becomes crucial. James downloads Lisbon's map pre-departure to avoid data charges. He tests voice navigation with his hearing aid Bluetooth connection. For backup, he marks key locations, embassy, hospital, on a paper map. Research shows offline maps reduce senior travelers' stress by 63% in unfamiliar cities. Irello eSIM tutorials help James avoid $10 day roaming fees. He purchases 5 gigabytes Portugal data for $15. WhatsApp becomes his lifeline. He creates a family group with location sharing. Video calls are scheduled for Sundays using World Clock widgets. 78% of senior travelers report eSIMs simplify connectivity versus physical SIM swaps. James programs ICE, in case of emergency, contacts into his phone's lock screen. He tests Noonlight. Holding the button triggers GPS alerts to preset contacts. The CDC's travel health app reminds him to pack blood pressure meds. Statistics show seniors using safety apps experience 40% faster emergency response times abroad. Google Lens helps James decipher Portuguese menus. Pointing his camera translates text instantly. For conversations, he uses Say Hi's slow playback mode to understand accents. Offline phrasebooks in Microsoft Translator cover medical terms like "I need a doctor." 92% of non-tech-savvy seniors find visual translation tools more intuitive than typing. Wise's multi-currency account saves James 5% on EUR conversions versus banks. He sets spending alerts at €50 a day. For backup, a Charles Schwab debit card refunds all ATM fees. Mint tracks his €1,200 month budget, categorizing expenses like historic tours and local transport. Digital tools help retirees avoid 85% of currency exchange scams. James syncs his Fitbit to monitor 8,000 daily steps through Lisbon's hills. My Therapy app reminds him to take meds at 9 a.m., 9 p.m. sharp. He books senior yoga via Meetup. Studies show group activities reduce traveler loneliness by 60%. His emergency ID bracelet links to digital health records showing his pacemaker details. James scans his passport and travel insurance into Google Drive's encrypted folder. 1Password stores all login details, generating complex passwords like T3 Ricotta 2024. He shares access with one trusted relative. FBI data shows cloud backups prevent 70% of identity theft cases during passport loss abroad. At JFK Airport, James' phone displays his travel dashboard, a customized widget showing TripIt itinerary, Wise Balance, emergency contacts, and offline maps. His lightweight bag contains printed backups and a portable charger. Surveys reveal tech-prepared seniors enjoy 3x longer solo trips than unprepared peers. The adventure begins.